Alright everybody, good morning. Let's do a quick lesson on farm animals. We have a nice wall over here with 12 different animals. Shivaka and Rishika are going to show you what those animals are. What's that? What's that? Is that a bee? Rishika, can you show me the bee? Can you show me the bee? Bee! That's the bee. Very good. Can you show me the cow? Can you show me the cow? Where's the cow? Moo! The cow says moo. Can you show me the pig? Oink. That's the cow. Very good. Everybody clap for Shivaka. Putuma, can you show me the sheep? Can you show me the sheep? Can you show me the sheep? What does the sheep say? Baba. Baba. Very good. Everybody clap for Rishika, who's holding a sheep in her hand. Can you show me the dog? The dog. The dog that says bow bow. Bow bow. That's not the dog. This is the dog, right? This is the dog. Oh, you're showing me the horse. I'm sorry. Is this the horse? What does the horse say? She's clip-clopping like a horse. Really? Shivi, can you show me the cow here? Or can you show me the cat? This is the cat. The cat says? Very good. Very good. And the duck? The duck says? Quack, 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 quack. All right then.